Hello, well, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator over here, a flat tire TPMS indicator of a Renault Captur 2017 model. As you can see, the car is running, but I can't get the indicator. TPMS indicator is still visible, and I'm going to show you in this video on how to get rid of that. First of all, press or turn the ignition off. Then, without starting the car, press the ignition on once. Then you'll have a menu stick over here, the top button and the button. Find the menu where it says something like set new tire pressure. Yes, tire pressure set TPMS indicator. Once you are here, press and hold the top button over here till that starts blinking and stops blinking, and it says now set TPMS restarted. And as you can see, the indicator over there is gone now. Do the check by starting the car, running the car, and as you can see, the indicator for the TPMS has disappeared. So once again, press, turn the ignition on, then find the area that it says set new tire pressure, like this. Press and hold it, wait for it to stop blinking, and once it stops blinking, the indicator must disappear. That was it for the video. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.